Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you.
Alright, boys, new day, new video in this shit, bruh. Today is Monday, and we got brutally touched. Like, we got raped and molested by Trading View this morning. The losing streak continues. Shit, bro. They gotta do what they gotta do in this bit. I'm not mad about the loss. I'm comfortable with today's loss. I know that I have a great month ahead. One loss can never define the entire month. And I promised you guys in the last video that August is going to be my month, and August is going to be way better than July. And I'm standing on it 10 toes down. And this loss, bro, is a fucking loss, bro. And it does not count, bro. My head is still up, very, very much up, and I have the highest expectations for this month. So yeah, boys, shit. Sometimes you get brutally touched and you can't really do that much about it. That does not sound right, my bad. So the plan for the day, I'm going out right now. I'm not going to the gym today because I have to go somewhere, which I cannot disclose. I can't disclose for personal reasons. Yeah, I'm going somewhere, but I'll be back. So when we get back, I'm going to make something. I'm going to make a meal. You guys don't really know a lot about me here, but I am extremely gifted in the ability to put an exquisite cuisine together. I have that ability. Literally on the next clip, you guys will see me in my elements. Some niggas think this nigga's playing, bro. I ain't playing, bro. Shit gone stupid out here on this bitch. I'm actually lying. I've never really cooked a day in my life, but we're going to figure it out today. You guys should lock in, bro. So I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Peace, my boy. All right, boys. I'm back, bro. I'm starving. It's been a long day. Let's not talk too much. We need some food. I don't know if I look like I know what I'm doing or not, but I'm here to tell you that I don't know anything that I'm doing right now. Watch the video on YouTube. So watch me cook. If you want to make spag for one person, do you use the full thing? Should I use the full thing? I don't know if I'm meant to use the full thing. I'm going to ask ChatGPT if I should use the full thing or not. That's it, bro. So according to the YouTube, you need onions, you need a pack of spag, you need tin tomato, pepper mix, and shit. Right. Obviously, we need some eggs and sausage. My cousins watch this video. We live in the same house, and they're going to complain that I'm eating too many things. Do you know what I have to tell them? I'm talking to them right now. What I have to tell you guys is, fight me. I bought this pack of eggs because I'm eating 3 eggs and 1 sausage. You know what? Let me live within my means. I will take the 3 eggs, but I won't add the sausage. Let me eat like the broke, unemployed youth that I am. Let me not act like as if I have money for you guys. So I would not use the sausage. I really like sausage. 3 eggs, or 2 eggs and 1 sausage. Or 3 eggs and 1 sausage like that. You go almost kill me for this house if I dey chop like that too. Poverty, no good. Oh. Let me be economical. I won't take sausage. Tonga son, Kilolo, he say he fell out of love. So apparently I meant to add oil to this thing and wait for it to boil. But one thing about me is that I don't like when people tell me what I should and should not do. So I'm not going to wait for it to boil. I'm going to add the spaghetti without it boiling, because everything is a matrix. You don't get to tell me that this is the way you do it and there is no other way. There is always a way. With God, there is always a way. Tomato paste. Fuck, I didn't know how sauce. I didn't know how salt in this shit. If I add salt late, what does that do? Like, I added salt by this time. Does that change anything? I really pray that works out too. Let me cover this thing. Any mistake I'm making, I should lock in. Let me know. But I was born for this type of thing, bro. I know I'm not making any mistake. I was born for this life, bro. I've been chefing up since it's like 2 hours ago. Yeah, see, you notice how it's not splashing. It's not splashing because it recognizes Jesus. It recognizes that it's me. Fuck. Who born them? Who born who? They level 10. Who born them? Who born one? Mama, this is I beg. No me and you. Sure. Calm down now. I saw this thing they do. I like my spag to be brown, eh? Like, I like it to be brown, sauté, eh? They level 10. My mother will be so proud of me. Maybe I should send that link to my YouTube channel. But I don't want her to watch the video where I start drinking and stuff like that. Because next weekend I'm going for a party. This weekend, sorry. I'm going for a party. So if I send her the link to my YouTube channel, she might now go and start following up
and she might now end up watching the one where I drink and maybe take drugs. Guys, we forgot to cut the fucking onions. I don't even understand what the fuck I'm doing. We forgot to cut the onions. We literally brought it out, but we forgot to cut the onions and we brought it out. Everything is just here looking at me, and I'm like, see, everything is literally just here, and I'm looking at the onions and I didn't fucking cut it, bro. Now I have to. Now I'm already lacking behind. Fuck. All right, boys. Before we start the seasoning, let's first start boiling the egg real quick, real quick. All right, boys. Now it's time for the seasoning. You already know the vibes. I already have all my seasoning now, so lock in. Thyme leaves. We use curry powder. We have curry powder. I know what I'm doing, bro. We have pepper. I don't know if pepper is considered a seasoning, but I know that we're adding it. Then we have the mags. We have the mags. The Maggi. We have the mags too. Man, they cook oh. I swear to God, they cook. The thing is, say when I know, no go fit understand, because when I know they chop this thing, even when they chop this thing, I will understand what they talk. They play. Now I'm going to transfer the spag, transferring the spag into the sauce. Let's fucking go. I'm not only a gym bro. I'm not only a gym bro, gang. Husband type shit. Alright, boys, so what I need for you right now is this. I just finished making this spag, yeah? And I want you guys to be honest about how much you want to eat it. I don't ask you to be honest about any other thing else. I know actually if you think the spag is nice or the spag is not nice. I never asked you for that. What I asked you for is to tell me how badly you want to eat it, because I know you want to eat it. I go edit the spag, Gaspar. I go do edit. Cue the edit. Right, boys. So that's it for the spag. Now we have the egg right here. So about to peel this shit, bro. What the fuck? What's this? What's this nonsense? This is just waste of it. What's this nonsense? What the How is this for a perfect peel? Yeah? Alright, boys, I'm about to eat my exquisite cuisine. About to have some lunch. I've not eaten today, so like, I deserve some. It's been a long day. It's been a long ass day, bro. I've not recorded most of my day. I just recorded when I go home because private matters. It's not everything I show on the internet. I might have a wife and some children that I don't necessarily want to bring to the public. Shit, you don't know. But yeah, I'm about to have my exquisite cuisine, and I'll catch you guys in the next clip. I don't know what the plan for the day is. I do have some videos I need to edit. I have a shit ton of videos I need to edit. The video I recorded, I was meant to record yesterday. My laptop crashed. My laptop just crashed. So like, I don't have a video to post tomorrow. So I need to record the video for tomorrow, if that makes sense. Yeah, I need to record the video for tomorrow and today. That's what I'm recording. I'm recording a video for today now. I need to record a video for tomorrow. So yeah, we have some work to do. Then what else? I don't know. I don't really know if I have plans later, but we'll see how it goes. Tomorrow, I might also not go to the gym. I'm probably not going to the gym because cleaners are coming to the house and I'm the only unemployed nigga in the house. Shit, I'm the only unemployed nigga in the house. So I have to stay. Everybody else is going to work, so like, I have to stay, bro. I'm not taking any trace today. I already got molested in the morning and touched inappropriately. So I'm not going to be going back to the church for them to take advantage of my body like that. So I'm going to do something else, which I do not know what that thing is, but I'm going to keep you guys posted. So you guys should lock in, bro. Lock in. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Peace. Boys, what we saying? I'm going to be honest with you guys and transparent with you guys. It has been 24 hours. I'm not going to chill. You know that I'm a very truthful person. It has been 24 hours, gang. I won't even lie. I don't know why I didn't record the outro yesterday, but I've actually piled up a lot of workload for myself. I'm never going to lie. If you guys don't know, I post my videos 2 days ahead. So the video I'm posting today. It's meant to be a video I recorded day before yesterday. But now I'm lagging behind. The video I recorded yesterday is not the video I'm posting today. You understand? But it's meant to be 2 days. So like yesterday, I had to spend time editing both for the YouTube and for my TikTok. So it was a lot. Before I could even think about an outro, it was already in the middle of the night. I was already tired, gang. I won't lie. But we're back. So yeah, that's it for the video. And I will start today's recording now. As a matter of fact, I'm already late for today's recording, but shit, I'm going to start today's recording now. So yeah, boys, that's it for the video. I love you guys. If you guys have been staying tuned, man, I fuck with you guys, man. Heavy in this bitch, shit crazy. Pause. I ain't gonna lie, but yeah. And I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace, niggas. Come on.